Roshandeep Bindra, and my dreams and my aspirations. Like, I'll tell you a brief background. My brother's into architecture, so I want to assist him, like designing of the floors and everything. So I want to get into furniture designing and interior designing. And about INSD, one of my friend and one of my counselors suggested me, like, the course is very good. Like, after, if you want to shift your stream from something else and get into designing, INSD will guide you really well. So my experience in the first 3 days, like, I am a novice at designing. I have no idea about drawing and everything. But ma'am, both the teachers have guided me really well about basic points, elements of designing, functions of designing and everything. So the experience so far, it's really good. And I hope the future also stays the same.
Hello everyone, I'm Gul Mehra and I've opted for the course of interior designing. And as far as the dreams are concerned, I want to become an international designer. As an interior designer, I want to work for and with the people from various countries. So that is my dream. And why did I choose for INSD is because of its specialization in the field of designing. And because of its specialization, I think as the institute to provide me with the best of the training and experiences which will help me achieve my goals successfully. And the experience so far has been full of fun and knowledge, I'd say, because of the college hours, which are not so long, keeps my interest going on and helps me to work with compassion. Thank you so much.
My name is Simar Arora. Basically, my background is for doctors and engineers. So I never my mom dad wanted me to go in biotech engineering, but it was my only, you can say, business that I wanted to go in this field. So it was my background, it was my passion from 9th. I came in 9th also here. So basically I know it because it was near to my house. And one of my friends was in this INSD, and he told me out that it is a very good institute where you can go and join it and get full experiences, fun visits, etc. etc. My experience was very good. Teachers over here are so helping and assisted me in everything. They teach me how to draw a straight line actually, which I can't even do. Thank you so much.
I am Jakhana. I come from a place where people are really not into this field. They don't know anything about this field. From my background, I've always had everyone in my family mainly belonging to management or finance or maybe some engineers. So nobody actually expected me to come to this field. I want to come to this field to give a new vision to myself, because a creative field is something that really opens up your mind. It does not block your mind to one aspect. And I got to know about INSD actually through internet. I went through many of the colleges and reviews and everything, and then I came here. I talked to the teachers, council here, and I was really confident that I can achieve my goal, what I actually want to. Till now, my experience is quite good. I have learned that it is not only about you hold a pencil in your hand and you just move it all around. It is much more than that. You will have to get a clear vision to create what you have in your mind.
Hi everyone, this is Ritupriya Rathod, and I had just completed my BA program. In fact, I am appearing for my final semester exams, and I am here to pursue my one-year diploma in fashion designing. By designing, because I am very much into clothing and trends, and I think I would love to know the science behind what I wear. And designing for me is something that brings together the imagination and reality, which are two rare ends. And apart from that, how I got to know about INSD, being very honest, I googled it and I found it in one of the top designing colleges that are here in Delhi. And when I checked out the curriculum, I really liked it. And my experience, I have been here for 3 days now, and my experience here has been good. I think the faculty is really good. The way they have started teaching us is the fear of not knowing or being new to a course is not existent anymore, which was here when I stepped in for the first 1 hour. So it's no more there. So I really like being here as of now. Thank you.
Hey everyone, my name is Bhaskar Jain, and I have recently completed my 12th exams and waiting for the results. And from a background, no one knows this career. All are from business line.
and my parents so wanted me to join the same, but I resisted, and my family, my cousins really helped me a lot to convince my parents. And to my dreams, I want to open a boutique in at large scale. And about INSD, my friends suggested me. I visited and I liked it very much, so I thought of joining. Teachers are very helping. They are very friendly also.
My name is Simran Kaur. I belong to a very well-off family and I want to become a famous fashion designer. And I have chosen International School of Design because it is very famous institute in North Campus. And my experience in International School of Design is really very good. And here teachers are very helping. They guide us in each step. Even they told us how to draw a line. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Kanika. I have joined INSD to achieve my goal, and my goal is to become an interior designer. My experience till now was good. It has been 2 days. The faculty and the counselor and the all faculty and the students were very good. Thank you.
Hello friends, myself is Anam Khan और मेरा ड्रीम ये है कि मैं फैशन डिज़ाइनर बनूँ और मैंने INSD इसलिए ज्वाइन की क्योंकि बहुत फेमस इंस्टीट्यूट है और मेरा एक्सपीरियंस यहाँ पर बहुत अच्छा जा रहा है.
Hi friends, myself Jyoti Kashyap and I have opted for Masters in Jewelry Designing. About my background, my father is self-employed. He owns a minor company and he wanted me to join his company, but I never want to work in corporate world. I found myself interested in jewelry designing, and whenever I saw Sabyasachi's jewelry collection, I made my mind that I too have to design something beautiful pieces of ornaments. And my parents supported me in this. And about INSD, I found it on Google into the list of best designing colleges. Also, one of my friends has suggested me. And about the experience, it's been 2-3 days, and all I can say is the environment is quite good. The teachers are quite friendly, and I'm quite excited about the journey of these 2 years. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Rita Agarwal and my background is a doctor and businessman, and my experience is so good in INSD, and I joined this because it's so famous in the North Campus, and I'm going to become a fashion designer.